Now let's declare some variables. To declare a variable, we need to use let or const keywords as we learned in the previous videos. Let's see the syntax first, then we can go ahead and declare some variables. The syntax should be a let or const keyword. I'm gonna use a let keyword now, followed by a variable name and an assignment operator and a value. Whatever you assign the value, that will be stored in the variable name. That's how we can declare variable. Similarly with const keyword also. So let's see some examples now. I'm gonna declare a variable to store my first name and last name. Let's say let first name. I'm gonna store Somnath, that's my name. Let's also declare another variable that's going to be last name goes to Gowder. Okay, we are storing the string. My name is a string, right? We are storing that value inside of my variable name. To prove that to you, I'm gonna console log. Actually, I'm gonna console log to see if they are stored in these variables or not. Let's declare some more variables, then we can console log. Let age is going to be 21. Let's also declare another variable, is married. That should be a boolean data type, right? That should be false. Okay, now let's console log these first. Now I'm going to console log my first name, last name, age, is married. Okay, now let's save and check in the console. As you can see, we stored all these values in our variables and we console logged those variables. As you can see, Somnath is my first name, Gowder is stored in last name, age is stored in 21, and this boolean value will be stored in is married. That's how we can create variables and assign values to those. Now let's declare some more variables with number values. That's going to be, let's declare some variables which will never be changed. Let's say const. That's what we use, right? The variables which are never going to change, for them we use const. Let's define a variable that's gravity. As you know, gravity values doesn't change, right? I'm gonna store 9.81. That's the value of gravity. Let's also declare another variable. Let's say boiling point of water. Boiling point, that should be 100. Let's also declare another variable, const pi. As you know, the the pi value doesn't change. That's going to be 3.14. Let's also console log these values and check. Let's say gravity, boiling point, pi. Let's save and check. As you can see, there we have our values in my console. That's how we can declare variables, right? In the next video, we are going to do some exercises so that we can revise and practice everything we have learned till now. So I will see you in the next one.